voiceover time. Join me making a Maloof joint on this little side table. So here I am marking out on a very simple jig I made, then cutting some relief cuts on the bandsaw to save some dust, and then knocking it out with a chisel. Very satisfying here. Ash is the choice of wood here, with inlays of sequoia which contrast each other quite nicely. And then moving on to the router to clean out the rest. This is a pretty simple joint to make, but looks a lot harder than it actually is. So that jig should end up giving you a nice clean finish on the cut. Then bringing it over to the router table to cut this little recess. Not too sure what this router bit's called, but it leaves a nice finish. Here I am marking out the material to remove on the legs. Using sequoia as well on the legs, which is extremely soft wood, but fairly underrated. To remove that material, I'm using this cross-cut sled I made for the table saw, which is pretty good. And that should leave you with a recess of about 10mm all round. You want a nice and snug fit. And that should just leave you with the corners to remove that I'm marking out here. And they are easily removed on the router table using this round over bit. Then all going well, should leave you with a joint like this. Make sure to be careful smacking it in, not to break any of the edges off. I did that a couple times. And here it is all finished and oiled up. Not perfect, but pretty good for first try. Definitely gonna make some more of these. Follow for more. You